it's Liz from Advanced Locks here, and we are very fortunate to have one of our customers bring in their new Honda Civic Sport 2026, and we're going to install some advanced locks on it. Basically what you're going to need is a 1/2-inch drive torque wrench and a 19mm hex head socket, 6-point hex, and a set of advanced wheel locks. So let's put a set of locks on. We're going to remove one of the factory ones. Any factory lug, doesn't matter. I like to line them up with the cap. We're going to replace the factory lug with one of our advanced wheel locks. And I like to put the factory lugs back in the box because they fit almost perfectly. So what you're going to do is take your key, you're going to line it up and then hand tighten them on. We'll finish them off to 80 foot-pounds of torque. Now, on a digital torque wrench, you would just punch your number in. On a standard torque wrench, you would just tighten it up to where it says 80 foot-pounds. And tighten it, and then just finish it off until you get a click. There we go. And they're on. And that is how you install an advanced wheel locks. If you have any questions whatsoever, give me a call. My name is Liz Lambert. I'm one of the owners. You can contact me at liz@advancedlocks.com or give us a call at 833-295-6257.